everyone, I Ashika welcome you to my channel Take a Bite. Today we'll look at the recipe of instant, soft and spongy Gujarati dish called dokla. Before that, if you like this recipe, do give a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Now it's time to note down the ingredients required to make this recipe. Here I have taken 1 large cup of gram flour. So I'll be sieving this gram flour to get a fine powder without any lumps. So now the fine powder of gram flour is ready to make the dokla. To this, I'm gonna add salt as per taste, half teaspoon of citric acid, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon crushed ginger, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, yellow food color. Here, yellow food color is optional, but do not skip this yellow food color with turmeric powder because it will give a red spot in your dokla. So to it, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and by adding water, using a wire whisker, I'll be whisking it to avoid lumps. Keep adding water and maintain the consistency of the batter. The batter should be not too thin but not too thick also. The batter should be of the flowing consistency. So just see, it covers the spoon at the back. This is the perfect consistency to make the dokla. So now the next step is to keep our steamer ready. So I have kept the water to boil. In other side, I'll be greasing a plate with some oil. So the water is boiling and it's ready. So now it's a perfect time to add 1 teaspoon baking soda to the dokla batter. Mix it well, mix it so well that you will observe the batter rising up. This is the perfect time. Transfer it to a steaming plate and be quick in this step. Immediately transfer the plate to the steamer. Close the lid and cook it for about 20 minutes on a high flame and about 5 minutes on a low flame. Once it's cooked completely, just slide the lid and allow the dokla to cool completely. Meanwhile, let's prepare the sugar syrup for the tempering of dokla. So here I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil. To it, I'll be adding half teaspoon of mustard seeds, finely chopped green chili and few curry leaves. Let's saute it for a while. To it, I'll be adding 1 to 1.5 cup of water, and then it's time to add 2 tablespoons of sugar or even less as per your taste, but I have taken a bit more sugar, and a pinch of salt, and let's allow it to boil. Once it's boiling, switch off the flame and the sugar syrup is ready. So just have a look here. The dokla is perfectly boiled and it's cooled down completely, and the sugar syrup is also cooled. So let's pour it on the dokla. And I have taken fresh grated coconut. This is optional. If you like, you can just take it, or else you can just skip it. And some freshly chopped coriander. This enhances the taste of dokla very much. So now it's time to cut the dokla into pieces. I just love doing this, cutting cakes, all that stuffs. So now the perfect spongy dokla is ready. Let me show you. Don't worry about the shape. First 2 pieces, when you chop it, it will be anyways a disaster. That's okay, fine. So just see how soft, how airy the dokla has come out. This perfect soft and spongy dokla is ready to serve with imli or mint chutney. So thank you for watching this video, and friends, do not forget to write the comments on the comment section below. Thank you.